Good day, guys. Welcome back. So what we have here is our gold, right? We want to see where this gold will be moving for the next day, which is on the 25th. Now, if you are following this channel consistently, without see how we predicted this bullish move. So that is why, if you are new and you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, and also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So this gold, right? We actually predicted this bullish move on Tuesday, which actually had the bullish move, right? Wednesday actually predicted a bullish move, which we actually did. Thursday we actually had predicted a bullish move, which we actually did. So this Friday, right? I personally will be thinking this price will be giving us a bullish move. So I'm going to give you a couple of reasons, various reasons why I think we'll be making such a move, right? But before though there will be a pullback on a 4 hour time frame, though we'll be having a bullish move, but a pullback will occur, which I will explain further. So if you take a look at this trend, right, on this gold, right, you will see that this is an uptrend move. Here comes the correction on gold, and here is an impulse move, uptrend move, and here is the correction on our gold. Here is the impulse move. This is the new highs, right? So take a look at this gold. This is a correction. So what do we expect next? Another impulse move. So definitely we would continue to have this impulse move till it actually break above this high. So we would want to see this price come to take out this highs, tap it, and possibly break above it and continue to go bullish on gold. So above all, we will be expecting a bullish move. So that is one on the trend. Secondly, is that when you take a look at this movement, right, you see that price has once range here. You kind of see that price once reacted to this level, right? Once the price dropped, price kind of failed to break low, go low, it pushes up, came to this level, reacted, drop again, failed to break this low, right? Went up a little bit, came again, failed to break this low. We can personally see this as triple bottom, right? Triple bottom. Price actually failed to break it. So we can now see that price was actually ranging in this area. You can consider this low as the support, and this will be the resistance. So of course, if you are trading support and resistance and price breaks out of the support level or a resistance level, definitely price must give us a pullback to test it. So we can clearly see that this price actually went up and broke out of this previous resistance level where price was actually reacting to. So price broke above it. Guess what? We actually add a pullback to test it. So that is the rules of trading. Once price break out of a support or resistance level, price must give us a pullback to test it. So we can see that price give us a pullback to test this level. Guess what? After the testing, we now expect another bullish move. And I also told you guys that we'll be having a bullish move here. Reason is that if you follow on Monday, we actually added Fibonacci retracement during time this price was actually giving us a retracement, right? It was actually retracing. We actually wanted this price to actually drop close to 38.2, right? Which actually expects, and price came, then it is now giving us that bullish move close to it came to close to a level of 30.2, and it started giving us that bullish move. So if you take a look at this gold, right, we are on a bullish move. That is it. Secondly, is that there's this kind of movement. Another reason is that you will know that once there's a bullish move on this our USD index or DXY, then our gold itself will give us a bearish move. But once there is a bearish move on USD index or DXY, then definitely we would see a bullish move on gold. Now take a look at this USD index, right? So I'll show you guys to actually see it. So if you take a look at this movement on this USD index or DXY, you can see that we are having a bearish move. So one of the reasons why we are actually having a bullish move on our gold, gold is spiking up. So once you take a look at this movement, you see that this movement is not over. This USD index will very much likely to drop again, right? So as this price will be dropping further down, right, on USD index, they'll be expecting a bullish move on this gold to USD, which I believe this by next week we should be able to take out this ice. Strongly believe by next week we need to take out this ice. But the next day, which is Friday, we should expect a bullish move. Right? Reason is that we see that this price. Let's take a look at this from here. We saw that this USD index came low and gave us a pullback here. And here is another low that broke this previous lows. And here comes the correction on USD index, a new lows, and take a look at it. A pullback occurred. Guess what we had again? Another lows. Of course, what do you expect? A pullback. And like I told you guys, we'll be expecting another lows, right? Which it has actually dropped, right? So expect, and price will definitely react at this level. Have it in mind that price will actually react at this level, maybe possibly on the 4 hour time frame, which will be more visible on the 4 hour time frame. We should kind of see a little bit of a pullback, right? And guess what? We will continue our bearish move. So by the time this USD index will drop further down, right, then be expecting a bullish move on this gold, right? So this is one of the reasons why I'm still telling you guys that we would still be expecting a bullish move on gold as long as this our DXY is dropping, as long as it is dropping. If there's no, like, I don't think there will be a major news the next day, which is on the 25th. I've checked online. I don't think there will be any major news that will kind of change the direction of our USD. So with that, still be expecting a bearish move on DXY or USD index. So once there will be a bearish move on DXY or USD index, then there should be a bullish move on our gold. So that should now take us to the 4 hour time frame. So clearly you can see on the 4 hour time frame, we are having a pullback, right? Which I just told you guys that a pullback will occur if you know earlier on. So we can consider this or let's see this kind of price kind of spiked up, right? If price is push up, right, take a look at this good movement upward. Of course there needs to be a pullback. So it's not surprising we are having a pullback here, because price has also reacted to this level here. We saw price reacted here, price reacted here. So if you were following this channel consistently, I do tell you guys that if price has reacted to a level previously, price gets to that same level, price will definitely react at that same level again. So we saw price came to this level. It even happened 3 times. We saw price push up, give us a pullback, then broke above it, drop, tested this level, went up, drop again, tested this level. So price is at this level. So a reaction will definitely occur. So expect a reaction by price giving us a pullback, dropping low a little bit. Maybe by that time it should drop or tap our 10 period moving average. After it has tapped our 10 period moving average, what you would be expecting next is another bullish move. So this gold, possibly once a pullback has occurred, which will soon be which will soon happen, which the pullback might not be that much though, just a little bit of a pullback. Once a pullback has happened, then you can join in on this goal. So above all, we still expect a bullish move. So if this price go, the next level we want to see this gold tap to is this level of 1765, right? So if price can give us a pullback and it pushes up, then the next level we'll be seeing this gold get to is a level of 1765.